Welcome to the show tonight. We are going to be talking about altcoin season tonight, and don't let me forget to talk to you about the $5 giveaway, because tonight is one of the last two nights that you have to get the letters. So if you already have all 5 letters, you just need 2 more. One today and one tomorrow, and then you can get the $5 prize. So how do you know if you are still in an altcoin season? That is what I want to go over tonight, because how did I call it a week ago? Did I know it was coming? Was it a good guess? Or was it something more simple? Did I just do my research? Did I go in and did I find out what crypto was doing? Did I find out exactly how it was moving? And did I find out when it was going to pump? And yes. Those are all things that I did. And I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. So I want to encourage you guys tonight to sit back, relax, and maybe take some notes. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes, only common sense, right? So I take notes myself. I'm not just telling you to do it because I'm like some smart guru. I take notes all the time so I can remember stuff, so I can go back and check on things. I will notate stuff. I will go back. It's just a lot of research and work, kind of like if you were a, scholar, it's the same thing. You're wanting to learn something. Well, if you put your all into it, you will succeed. So let's get into it. I want to show you guys how to make money in a real way, from being a poor person, a middle class, or a rich person. You are going to find out how to make money with certain kinds of crypto like XYO, ACH, Avax, Matic, ICP, Shiba, all of those cryptos. So I don't think this tag thing works all the time. It might be my titles though. But anyway, I'm going to have to tinker with that. Let's go in and look at altcoins, because, all right, so we've been here several times before, and this is why it was really risky of me to call an altcoin season. If you guys remember exactly how the year has been, before we look at this chart, let's go look at another one. And if you remember how the year has been, let's just go look at Ethereum. Let's look at it, and it's at 29, right? So great price right now. We've had some good price action, but it gets choppy over here now. We're starting to see this choppiness, this volatility, right? And that's because now we've reached the pinnacle. This is what happens with altcoin seasons when you don't have that much momentum. It happens and it breaks, and you're going to see a pattern like this with a lot of the altcoins, unless we can see a breakout with Bitcoin or a sustained level for a while, let altcoins go back and reset, recharge, and then go at it again. And I can see that happening. So it's up to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to stay going sideways, we have a real shot with Ethereum. But what I wanted to show you is going back further, exactly what we've dealt with every single time. Oh yeah, we're in an alt season, right? We're doing good. Look at this one. After the first initial dump, right? This after Christmas, we had our all-time high in November, right? So if you go after November, we're starting to get into the new year. Boom, we have that big dump, right? Well, here is our first, I wouldn't say mistake, but I would say this is where people thought we were going to recover. We're like, okay, we dumped. This could just be a quick recovery back up. Okay. So people started lining their pockets again, because look at all that volume, 14, 13, 12, on the way down, there was a lot more, like 20 some here. Yeah. Big volume. People were getting scared. Ooh, they're selling. I'm selling. Oh. And then all that volume. Anyway, so it kind of calmed down a little bit. People were like, okay, and it starts to calm down a little bit. And then people start buying more as it goes up, because they're like, hey, this could be, we're breaking out again. See, look at all that volume, 13, and it goes up, right? And they go all the way up to 31. Now, what does this have to do with, the price of tea in France, right? Well, I'm getting to that. So just bear with me 1 minute while I get ready to tell you. So this was our first altcoin season bust, right? And we just got chopped on right here. And a lot of altcoins didn't even pump like this. This was only like Algorand, and a couple of others that actually had this big pump after the dump. A lot of them didn't have this. right here. So we had one, and then it went down again to 28. Look at that. For like a couple days, it went down. It was going down, and then it had another pump up here, another fake out altcoin season. Look at that. So we had the bigger one from the bottom, right? You would have actually made a lot of profit if you would have bought here and sold here, but they were trying to make you think it wasn't over. And then so what happens? Boom, down here, and people are like, "Oh, okay. Well, it didn't go down. Oh, and now it's starting to go up. So, oh yeah, it's not going to break down. So yeah, I'm buying. So the volume goes up again, right? So, and then what we have is boom, the sell-off that happens, and the altcoin season that got rejected. And then here's another example on a smaller scale. We went down to 2,500 right here, and then all the way up to 27. Okay, so that's not a big one, but that was like a $200 movement from down to up. So, but then it dumped, right? Boom, all the way down to 23 again, like really far down. So if you could have bought there, that would have been good. And then another faked altcoin season, right? Boom. And so why I mean a faked altcoin season? Like I could see if we just had one little bump, but what I'm talking about is normally when you're in a bull market, you get these things like that look like shoulders, right? That are on like the necks of the next move, right? So you have one of these here, boom. And then you even have one over here, like this shoulder before another pump. That's normally a bullish sign. If you look at that, that's normally, let's go and look at Bitcoin, and I can show you what I mean. If we zoom out. Zoom way out, and then I'll show you what I mean. Every time before Bitcoin goes up, see this big hump shoulder before the big breakout. This hump shoulder before the breakout. So hump shoulder, the breakout, right? So, but it's a fake out. And then this. So now it has taken the bulls ever since January to learn how to counter this down up, faked out bull market smash on you type deal. That's what I've called it the last several months. Just like it's the biggest fake out since freaking Watergate. I don't know. I don't even know if I can talk about that. No, I'm pretty sure it's okay. But yeah, it's just silly sometimes. And are we there now? Well, what it looks like to me is we're on the first leg. We're on the hump. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. If we're actually going to keep going up, we might be on that hump right now. So we might have a little pullback, but it could mean we could be moving further up. So maybe altcoin season isn't down, but then again, it could be one of these too. Right? So let's be careful. I'm going to be real with you guys. Like, I'm optimistic, but I'm also not going to lead you into the freaking slaughterhouse either. So, yeah, let's make money in crypto. And so I think crypto's looking good. It's not great. I'd like to see, higher highs. I would like to see Ethereum up over 31 to feel safe, in my opinion. I'd like to see this guy up at 31 again and take out this resistance. Because look, now we're having another double top over here too, though. So this and that, I know that's, let's go to TradingView because you can't really trade off of lines. But double top, but that doesn't necessarily have to be a double top. I mean, they are pretty far apart. Pretty same level though. And if you go all the way back here, you can see when this level broke, it actually caused the breakdown of the whole entire level. So that's a pretty crucial area right there. Support here, resistance here, resistance here. We need to break out of that. We need to get out of this katow. So it is possible to happen. We just need a confirmed breakout. We're right there. It's up to the bears to give up and the bulls to whoop butt. Those are the two things that really need to happen in order for this to continue. So I would like to definitely see Ethereum over $3,000. Now let's look at some indicators so we can see, hey, is that even possible? getting to 3 grand right now, or are we just sitting under tons of resistance? And that could be the case, especially because we haven't been to this price ever since we had that last double top breakdown right here. See this one, this one? That's more of a double top, I would say, because look how close it is together. See, the reason I think this might not be a double top is not only because look how straight up this one kind of went, and then this one, and then kind of how straight up this one went, but not like that on this one. And it's already a couple over as well. So, I mean, it still could be a double top. Don't like quote me on that, but it just kind of looks like it might be safe. Like we could be okay. That might not double top smack us down, right? So let's just see if that's the case, though. I mean, if we look at all of the evidence together, we should be able to come with, some kind of conclusion. And that's all this is. Basically like science when you were in science class and they told you to make a hypothesis, and you just kind of took all the information that you had and you made an educated guess. That's basically what you do with technical analysis, right? You look at the information it gives you, you look what other information is there and what you could put on there, and then you just use deductive reasoning, right? And try to have the best conclusion, and then find out what works for you too. Like if you did this before, like if I looked at the EMAs and the EMAs never helped me once, then I probably wouldn't use them anymore, right? But they actually constantly show me the level of resistance right here and support right here. So this is why I look at them. They're very anti resistance right here. Now is turning. So these are the things you're going to be looking at, guys, to see if we're going to be and gals in a bullish, trend in a bull market and to finish the bull run. So if you look, we were under it here. Even though we broke this trend line, we were still below the EMA 50. We just broke above. That's pretty crucial to break above the EMA 50 on the daily. Now, if we could do that on the weekly, we are for sure, the market is completely bullish, right? So that's what we're going to be looking for. Now, the 21 is at 27, the 50 is at 28, and the 9 is at 30.50. So we're below, or that's the 100, sorry, 30.50. And so we are going to be testing that as resistance, as well as this old spot right here that was resistance, that when it broke down and acted as support there. So that's going to be a level to watch. And then we're going to need to break up above this one. So there's a lot of resistance. Just like I thought, we're facing resistance. Now we can get the fib out. Bust out the fib for a second. I don't want to do retracement. I want to do extension. So, oh wow, yeah. I forget it's a lot different for Ethereum. It's not like on the altcoins. This thing actually really goes up high. Okay, so we're sitting down at like the 618. Yeah, we're right at the 618. So this is a crucial level. This really is. Like I say that in my videos sometimes, but this is a legit crucial. I love it. I love it. This is a legit crucial level for Ethereum right now to decide, where the market is heading. We need to break above this 618. We need to break above this 100-day moving average. And if we can do that and head up to the 1.68, then that is going to be for sure bullish. Well, of course, right? That would continue the market. We haven't seen any continuation of the market play yet because look at Bitcoin still at 42. Ethereum is riding higher than it has in quite some time. Even our last one um, went that high too. Okay, it did. So, I mean, we have been this high before. So, we shouldn't get our hopes too high up, guys. That's what I'm saying here because, the only thing is, I would get my hopes up a little bit, not financial advice, entertainment purpose, only common sense, is when I was telling you about the EMAs. If you looked at that 50, sorry, I took the 50 out of here to put the fib. So let's bust the 50 back out so I can just show you that. This is one of the main things that is going to show us why we are turning bullish now. So this was resistance for us, this 50-day moving average right here. And it held us down on one top and then two tops. And why I think we're not going to have a double top as well, because look at this. If we would have hit this and then went over here and closed under this and not had this second breakout right here, yes, we could be looking at like kind of either a double top here or a double top there. Boom, and then drop down, right? But we had volume come in right here and it pumped us above the EMA 50, closed above it, and then the next one closed, and then here we are. So now this is going to act as support, hopefully, and we can continue to test the 100 day now. And so going from bearish to bullish like that, that is a good signal. Turning resistance into support. That is what we want to see for good altcoin season length. Okay, it isn't solidified yet, guys. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Okay, like make sure we watch this for the next couple. But it's looking bullish though, so you can let the breath out. Like it's finally we can take a break. It's good. It's a decent price, right? So all right, during this video, like I say, I do words. Renegades. Tonight's word is renegades. I don't know how many, only 3 people can hear this, so tonight's word is renegades. All right. So now let's go look at all of the cryptocurrency prices, okay? So Ethereum right now is at 29.24. Tether sits at $1. BNB is under 400. Now it was up. Okay, let's look at the week, right? 12, 5. XRP is just kind of chilling. Terra only 6%. So it's not a time to get super excited yet, but this is a start of something. It's basically like my channel. My channel had its trajectory going down, and then it had like a reversal point. And so my channel's really starting to do good now. If you guys look at this, I want to show you something real quick on my channel. We just got so many views all in at once. Look at this. We just had over 1,000 views all in at once. Well, not at once, in 1 hour. Boom. Look at that. Almost 1.1 thousand. So the channel's doing pretty good. Thank you guys for helping me. And it might be because of the new website we have up, bitcoinrenegade.net, where you can go to my website to watch my YouTube videos, and you can just chill over there, watch all my videos all day, hang out, and learn about crypto. Like there's so much information over there that can help you make money with crypto. It's basically if you had my brain and you picked it apart, that's what you have in all those videos. So I have some really good information. I make money all the time in crypto. So if you want to make money, then so that's what I do. So I'm not saying you have to just follow me, be like a drone or a zombie. But what I do is I find people who are better at me than something, or somebody who's a professional, because there's always going to be someone better than you at whatever it is. I don't care what it is. Someone out there that's a pro, that's trained longer than you, that's done it for longer than you, that's stronger, faster, whatever it is, right? And so you always look for that until you can like legit say you're the best. You can always learn from someone, and you'll probably never be the best because there could always be someone lurking in the outside your view that is smarter or whatever than you. But that's what I do. And that if you want to be successful, find people that are successful in what they do and not jerks. And follow what they do, their mindset. It's a lot about mindset, guys. I'm not gonna lie, and gals, it's a lot about mindset. And if you have the mindset, well, this is just spam, it's just crypto. And a lot of people I see, and I think that's why my channel has struggled so much, because some people think it's spam and other people need the information. So it's kind of like a flip. It's like some people need what I have to say, and other people are like, well, it's spam because they don't know that they need it yet. And then in 5 years, those same people were like, well, that was spam, but actually, I remember that. I need that. So I think I have a lot to offer the community in that aspect. So, how are you guys doing tonight? Oh, Leah Toria was here. No way. Oh no! I can't believe you were here, dude. That's awesome. It was good to see you. And King Love was here. See, I don't look at the chat, and you all come. Darn it, man. Um, you guys gotta like beat me or something when that happens, man. I didn't even know you guys were all here. They all left though, I think. Oh well. Next time we'll catch you. Because we had everybody over here. They should next time stay, guys, for the whole thing. Hey Jay, what's up, man? I love it, man. I'm Potato. What's up, man? You remind me of Eeyore a little bit when you're sad, buddy. You know, just kind of like mopey and lovable, but depressed. That's King Love for you when he's upset or just kind of depressed. But don't let people get to you, man. You're a good dude. On my 7 days to fly game settings, one word left and you will win. Okay, don't share that with anybody else. If you get caught sharing your words with anybody else, it will be an automatic disqualification. Just letting you know. You have been working hard and you're going to deserve to win the prize, man. You know, you've watched all my videos, dude. So that's what the prize is there for, to reward people. And but you'll be like, man, I got a $5 prize, but I also got knowledge too. So what I've always told people is, that old saying, teach a man to fish, feed him for life, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Well, I'm the kind of person to give you a fish and teach you how to fish at the same time, so you don't go fishing hungry. So that's what I like to say, man. I give you a fish and I teach you how to fish. So that's what we do the giveaways for, to show you what crypto's about. That's why that is what sparked my IC emoji giveaway, guys and ladies, is not only because I wanted to do a giveaway, and that's a big giveaway because that's coming out of my pocket. Well, I mean, I guess Internet Computer could foot the bill. I could have them foot the bill, but it's basically that's mine. I would have to go buy one, and then But anyway, I'm gonna just give it away. Well, you know why? Because I think if you get one, I'm hoping you won't just sell it. I mean, you could. You probably it might sell. It'll probably sell, but what you would have a lot more money. So say you win the NFT, right, and you play the game, or you don't, you sell it. So you sell it, you get probably only about $45 if you want to unload it quick. It's probably going to be the cheapest. So you're going to want to sell for probably $45, and then that's all you'll ever get out of that. You won $45 for my contest. But here's the kicker: if you take that IC emoji NFT and you save up your money and you buy two more for like $45 to $60 each, so that would cost you 45, 90, just say $100. Get $100 to invest, not financial advice, entertainment purpose only, in NFTs, playable, play to earn NFTs, not just ones where, okay, I'll buy an NFT and I can sell it maybe for a profit later, but get an NFT that, yeah, you could probably sell it for a profit later, but you can play a fun game and earn. Because the new game that they have, the Ice Emoji Adventures, is a play to earn game. That's why I'm doing it. If it was the other one, it would be hard to win the tournament. So I wouldn't say that would have been a viable game. You notice I didn't really, push that for a lot of my audience because it wasn't viable for them to win stuff. Right. And, well, I did push it. I like it. It's good. I think the play to earn is more on my audience's level. That's all I meant. Like, it's a great game. Don't get me wrong. I love playing. It's fun. And you can win cool stuff, just by interacting in the community. So by playing the game, you do get stuff. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is there is value, guys. And I want you to know that, especially King Love, man. Like, I almost just want to give him one. I'll be like, dude, I'll give you one if you go buy two other ones. If you put your two to, like, I'm almost to the point being like, man, if you put money in and you buy two of them, I will give you your third one for free so that you can play the game or the Ice Emoji Legends. Like, I'm serious. You guys, this game is amazing and you can earn money. I got a bunch of stuff for free and now I can earn money for free. So that's what I just want you guys to know how that is. Hold on one second, XDR0. I have a couple more to read and then I'll get to yours. So, oh, it's your birthday. Hey, happy birthday, Jay Gower. Happy birthday, little bro, man. My little brother's birthday was just the other day too. My like legit little brother, younger brother, not little brother anymore. I used to call him my little brother because we're 6 years apart, and he was always littler than me. So. But now he's an adult. So anyway, there are people like one who I won't name. Yeah, been woken up because the police showed up banging. Yeah. That hasn't happened to me, but my neighbors constantly go at it. So there's, heard the police banging this morning or the other morning. I think it was yesterday morning. I get up and I go look and see what's going on, but not that time. I'm just like, man, I'm tired. I'm tired of being the police of the building, man. I don't get paid enough for that. Like, I try to protect people, but it just gets old after a while, But if there was serious stuff going on, I'd probably. Well, I'm just not going to speak on that. There's crazy. The world's going crazy, man. We just came out of a long isolation period, and it's showing. The cracks are showing around the world. Look at the political leaders if you don't believe me, guys. So we're lucky crypto's doing so good. We're lucky to see this alt season. We're lucky to be thriving amidst the world on fire, guys. We are. That's what crypto is going to help us with. The job reports are pretty good for now. The inflation isn't bad for now. So what was XDR? One last question. Should you say the secret words on my next live stream? Oh, that is a good question, man. Oh, that's a really good question, Mr. XDR0. No, I'm actually going to have you PM me the words because if you share the words, then everybody will have the words. PM it to me on Twitter. So anybody who has all the words, PM them to me on Twitter. Do not put them in the chat or you will be banned from the channel and kicked out of the channel, actually. So do not put if you're entering the contest, do not put the words in the chat because that will give everybody else the words without having to do the work. So that's the only thing. I don't mind giving out the reward if you guys do the work. That's what it's there for. So maybe I'll have to come up with a better model. But yeah, I'm gonna give away an NFT, guys. So let me know which one of you would actually I'll put it this way. One of you guys, I'll do this beside my contest. One of you out there buy 2 NFTs from Ice Emojis. You buy 2, I'll give you the third one to play for free. Any one of my inner council or anyone who's here right now, anyone who is in the chat tonight, any one of you guys, if you go buy 2, I will give you the third one. Not joking. So that you can play and we can play together. That's another thing. I want us to be able to, like, it would be cool if King Love did it because then we could play online together, during live streams. So we'll see. Thank you, bud. Yeah, I probably wouldn't ban, but yeah, don't put the words in there. I was just, trying to get the seriousness of the thing across. So, there a way to get free NFTs and sell them? There is. You guys don't know about Discover? I already showed you guys, and my video was doing really good today. This is what is going on my channel right now. Look. This is why I tell you guys you need to be over on my channel, because my channel actually knows what's going on. For real, look at this. I'll show you. Decentralized Twitter and Reddit, 1.4 thousand views. This is the one that just got the bunch of views, and that's because this is where you're getting the free NFTs from, like this one, the $100 airdrop that they just gave me. And then they gave me an Emo Lad one too. Where's that one? Emo Lad. Emo Lad. Where is Emo Lad? Well, this one, here's the ice emoji, 4,000 views. That one's doing amazing. Still getting views. Where is it? Oh, right here, Emolad, ICP, 7 ICP for free, and I'll show you exactly where I did it. Go watch that video, and I will. All the information is over there, and it'll show you how to do it. I'll show you where to go. Just go over that video. Boom, DSCVR.1, and it'll take you to this app right here, guys. And then once you go over here, you're gonna have to create an internet identity, or if you already have one, you log in, with your internet identity. So I'm going to actually have to change this on you real quick. I'll be right back so I can just go sign into this real quick without giving away any of my sweet, sweet credentials. There we go. And now I am signing in, and this is where I get tons of free crypto and airdrops and NFTs, several $100s worth, over 1,000. I got a lot. I don't even know how much anymore. So look at all of these discover points that I have. So basically, here's where the airdrop section is. If you are active on here, this is where I got my 2 different airdrops for free, 2 NFTs, and it gave me like I think $1,000 or something like that. Still don't remember how much it was, but it was a lot. It was a nice amount. So I think it was like $500 and a couple other things. I still don't. I think I might be adding up all of my NFTs. So that's what I'm saying. When you're like, well, how do you not know? It's because I have tons of NFTs, and so I don't know the exact amount what I got airdropped. So anyway, but yeah, that's all you have to do. And as you see, this is my favorite ice emoji right there. I have 2 of them, and it's probably going to be one of the ones I'm giving away. It's a really good one. So let's go to Intrapot and I'll show you. You guys can see this is the NFT I'm probably going to be giving away, if you guys want me to. And it's not going to be like a short contest. It's going to be like a month-long contest or longer. I don't think I'm doing the $20 giveaway. We're going to change that, guys. We're going to do, I think, a different one with the NFT. I don't think that I can police that enough. I'm going to have to change the giveaway. It's just too. We're going to still do the giveaway. Don't worry. Hold on. I need to go into ice emojis. Here it is. So here's the new one, Ice Emoji Legends. I'm hopefully going to be doing a video with Visions, either as a special guest or in the chat, about Ice Emoji Legends coming up. Hopefully he'll be on the show. That would be amazing. But yeah, because the video did really good last time, even though he was only in the chat. So these are the regular Ice emojis, and now I guess I got to connect my wallet plug. Okay, there we go. And now it has all of my collection, and hopefully none of them sold. I mean, if they did, they sold for a lot, because I don't sell mine for cheap. So here's all my NFTs, and I bought an extra one. I was gonna get 5 for the airdrop, and I never got the last one. Ugh, that sucks. I was trying to get 5 to have the airdrop, but I thought the other airdrop was a regular ice emoji, and then I would add 5 for the 30 upvote, but that never happened. It actually was in a Legends airdrop. So, and then I never bought when I was going to. So anyway, I have this one to give away. It's unlisted. I have this one listed for 15. I'd rather use this guy, and this guy. But the problem with that is the revive only works once per character per round, even if you have 2 revives for 2 different people. And I didn't know that. I was like, cool, I'll be able to revive her twice, him once, and him once. But you can revive one, even though you have 2 revives. So it didn't work how I thought it was, unfortunately. That's why I bought 2 of these guys. But oh well, you live, you learn. But yeah, if you guys get 2 more inner circle, then I'll give you one of these. If not, other guys, sign up to my Twitter contest that is going to come soon. And then you can win one of these. And maybe Visions will partner with me and give 2 more away so we can give away a whole set. And then someone can play the game, or give away 1 to, that's probably what we'll do. If I give away 1 to someone else, that's what we'll do. We won't give a whole set away to someone. We'll give away like 1 to a couple people. And then that way it shows we're not just going to give you 3 to go sell. But if you get 1 and you want to buy 2 more, that'll get you started on your way. But those are cool. Now, are we in an altcoin season? That's the question right now. So let's go in and look and see where crypto's at. Well, some crypto's doing really good, like Cardano. It's up 11% this week. And Solana is up 13%. Avalanche is up almost 30%. So things are looking amazing for cryptos right now. I just can't even fathom, us being in this crappy downtrend for much longer. So I see us moving definitely into the upside. Look at Shiba Inu, guys. So we're going to talk about SHIB today. Look at this guy right now. It's not doing half bad. So it's up 7% right now, and that is just on today. But it hasn't pumped like this for a while. So, and if you look, it's over $1 billion in volume, going in and out. So that's pretty decent amount of volume. All right. Now, how is everybody else doing tonight? Don't let your meatloaf. Okay. Email and password are not required because you're using your internet identity, bud. XDR0. You have to set up an internet identity. And it works the cool thing about the internet identity, it works as your login and password. So basically what you do is you either use your biometrics, or yes, you'd have to put in a password in order to log into your internet identity. But it's the same one across every single app or dApp on the internet computer. And I almost guarantee if you use this and you're always active on my, commenting on my posts or anybody else's posts, then you will actively get these airdrops. I need to be active here more. So don't forget district as well. That is another good one. Yeah, you got to remember your anchor. And if you lose it, you can get your anchor back if you're on the same device. If you lose your device, you will not be able to get that. So make sure you have 2 devices with your anchor on there, or else you could get kicked out of your account. Okay. So I love this one. Crypto's doing amazing. Let's go look at some news now, because this is going to kind of be the catalyst to move us into the next part of the market. You know why we went to 60,000 in the first place? Technical, FOMO, and news. Elon Musk buying those $1 billion worth, Michael Saylor, Cathie Woods, freaking Jack Dorsey, all of those big entities, buying crypto all at once. And that was the new, what it did to the market and what it did for the news, the sentiment behind crypto, right? So this is what I want to look at today. What is going on? Okay. Well, Yuga Labs, this is the parent company of Bored Ape and now CryptoPunks, teases Bored Ape Yacht Club metaverse with CryptoPunks, Cool Cats, Nouns, and NFTs. That's pretty cool that they're thinking about a metaverse. What? How the Juno Network DAO voted to revoke a whale's tokens? How can you do that? Decrypting DeFi is Decrypt's DeFi email newsletter. Juno Network, a Cosmos-based blockchain that lets different smart contracts interact with one another. I gotta read this. It is not a large or super well-known project, but the specific decision has already been made ripples throughout DeFi. Proposal 16 asked the community of Juno token holders whether the wallet of one community member should have a large chunk of its token holdings removed and returned to the community pool or destroyed entirely. How could you do that? You can't just take someone's money. Wait, what? The specific amount they want to take back was 3,103,947 Juno tokens worth, only $117 million at press time. The reason the address in question allegedly gamed a recent airdrop, well, technically a stake drop within the Juno network. And in doing so, the address accumulated an exorbitant amount of Juno tokens, which, like almost all DeFi tokens these days, come with voting powers. The risk of not passing this proposal, according to the proposer, were myriad. First, the proposer indicated the fact that there was a single wallet in the ecosystem that already has half of quorum needed to pass votes should have been a significant cause of concern. Second, with the amount of tokens that holder could have also single-handedly wiped out the entire direct decentralized exchange liquidity in 10 minutes or less. This basically means this one Juno whale could completely destabilize various crypto markets trading the Juno token. Oh, wow. That's a lot of power to have. Third, the whale had considerable power to bribe validators. Crypto speak for entities verifying and validating transactions on the network to behave fraudulently. Oh. And finally, if it wasn't already clear, the proposer said that the current situation created fear in the community. These arguments appear to have persuaded much of the Juno community on Tuesday. I got Wednesday. The yes votes won, but the vote was close. So they're going to take this fool's money, huh? Wow. Digging into the Twitterverse, specifically those with skin in the game, the polarizing effects were very clear. One Juno ambassador wrote a massive thread describing the entity as a ticking time bomb and a worse version of a venture capitalist. Elsewhere, opposing voices penned threads describing the vote as setting a dangerous precedent, and it does. So at any time, if we have put millions of dollars into a project, at any time somebody can just come and take our money? No. I don't care if they have the power I am 100% against this. I normally don't take sides, but I firmly stand with decentralization. And decentralization does not allow you to steal somebody's tokens because you perceive them as a time bomb. That should absolutely not be allowed. It doesn't matter if it's a venture capitalist or not, an even worse version. It doesn't matter. They got their tokens. Now you can ask to buy them back. You can work with this guy, but you cannot take his stuff. I can't believe they passed this. I cannot believe that this passed. This is gonna. It just sets back decentralization. That's all it does. It's not like it's going to be a devastating blow, but what it's going to do is it sets decentralization back a couple years. You know that, right? That's exactly what this is doing. So all of the people that voted for this, they should have known that before they voted. Like they should have had to read that. If you vote yes, you are pushing back decentralization 5 years at least, maybe 10. Okay? So anyway, I just think it's stupid. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below because I want to know. Am I the only one who thinks that's dumb? Do you guys think that that's pretty, sketchy that they can just get rid of this man's tokens? He earned them. Who, excuse me, if he gamed a recent airdrop, who cares? That's a smart move. Like, it isn't like he cheated. He used airdrops. He used what you provided him. But I mean, if he cheated, no. If he cheated, you got to kick it. You got to take those tokens back. Like, you should have never gave them to him. You should have never let him cheat that much. But if he didn't cheat, which I don't think he did, they're just trying to take his tokens because he holds the power. So they couldn't say that he was cheating or anything. They just were worried that he could destroy all the liquidity in a direct, a decentralized exchange like that within 10 minutes. Bribing the validators to front run transactions. That's what they're afraid of. So that's not very fortunate. So anyway, this week in coins, crypto market bounces back as Bitcoin reaches 40K again. But we have serious resistance at between 40 and 46K. This is a huge point of accumulation, but also a huge point of just slamming it down, resistance, hardcore. So, Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin. So Ethereum is the winner of the day, guys. I'm liking what Ethereum's doing. It's looking beautiful. I think I'm gonna get in Ethereum when it drops next. I'm gonna wait for the bear market and I'm gonna buy a bunch of Ethereum. So I'm not gonna buy it when it's up at these heights, guys, because I know a $200 Ethereum. I don't FOMO into crypto very often, especially Ethereum. But when it goes back down to like 1,500, if we get that chance again, then I'll buy it. Now, if it doesn't go back, then I might change my mind very soon because I want Ethereum, but I just want to get it at a good price. So, I'm just probably not going to be buying it at 2,900. So stick around. We will be giving away these. Also, this is ICP Squad NFT. What? Okay, hold on. What is going on here? I was just trying to show this token or this ICP squad thing, and it didn't want to let me show it. Okay, well, I guess I can't show you my ICP squad one. Okay, whatever, dude. Whatever, man. It is what it is, man. I hope everybody's good. We are every Thursday going to be doing a boys' night or just guys' night or just crypto talk, whatever. We might have some women on there too, so it's probably not just guys' night. Just Thursday night crypto discussions, and it's going to take turns on each of the channels. You're going to want to be involved in that. Like I said, we have a lot going on the channel. Our new website, BitcoinRenegade.net, is up. We're doing giveaways. We passed 2,000 subscribers. I just got my new microphone, my new laptop that I have here. So many things have changed from when I first got into crypto. I have a lot of collaboration partners. Hopefully, I'll still be working with Definity after this. I don't know. I'm trying to negotiate with them to continue my grant. I don't know if they're going to. I think, I will do an awesome job if they do, but that's neither here nor there. I love the project, and I'm going to keep bringing you when I'm making money, when I find an airdrop that makes me money, when I find a crypto that I am doing really well in, I'm going to bring it to you guys. And we're going to start looking at newer projects. I think that's one thing. So we can find the next 100x gem for real. We messed up with Pup Doge, but what we're going to do is we're going to look and we're going to listen to people. If somebody says it's a scam, unless it's just like, don't believe that person, like, sketchy person. But if someone says it's a scam, we might listen to them this time. And we're going to look at the number of addresses that hold, the number of transactions. We're going to look into the project. And if it has celebrities, stay away from it. Because most likely it's a scam if they have celebrities. And for some reason, they think if, there's a celebrity in there, it's easier to scam you, I guess. I don't know where the thought process is with that. But, things are going. So what's up with you guys? How are you doing? Yeah, no, it doesn't though. The troubleshooting would not, random troubleshooting would not have that happen. Only if you lose. It's the same as a Bitcoin wallet. Treat it the same as your Bitcoin wallet because that's what it is. It's your internet identity. And so it's going to have all of your ICP and everything in it. So keep it like your, write it down in a journal. Keep it safe somewhere. Keep it like your Bitcoin private key so you do not lose that. And you keep it on your device. Write down what device it's on, but don't like put it in your safe or something. Don't let anybody get that, but write down what device it's on and keep it somewhere safe for you. In my old house, I wouldn't have been able to do that because someone would have already always found that and broke into it. An account with 2FA activated. Yeah, this is actually safer than 2FA, much safer. And you can use it everywhere. So you wouldn't have to get a new number on each app you use. You could use the same one on every app. So 2FA, you have to use a different 2FA on each app you go to. Internet identity, one identity number through all the apps to make sure who you are instead of I have 25 2FAs on here. Which one is it? No, you don't have to do that. It's just one. The anchor is not your seed phrase. The anchor is more, I guess, it's your public address type deal. And then your code is your, you can get your seed phrase out of it. Your code is more like your seed phrase. Well, no, it's not your seed phrase. That's your password. You can get your seed phrase. Seed phrase. Well, it might be 2FA. It is 2FA. But I'm saying the authenticator app thing. That's what I was talking about, the authenticator app. Because it makes you do a double device. Yeah, it makes you put in a password plus an anchor. So that technically, well, I mean, if it says it on, I'd have to read it. You're probably right. No, you can't use Defendi as a Chrome extension, but you can use Plug, which is that's the one that I have with all my NFTs in it. Plug. And that's what you're going to want to plug into the DSCVR over here. When you get over here, here, let me switch this 1 second. Let me show you. So if you go to the DSCVR over here, you're going to want to go to your profile. And then, wait, what the heck? Where's, oh no, settings. Sorry, it's in the settings. And then you can pair your Stoic wallet, which is the one that's just going to be your regular wallet, or your Plug wallet, which is your Chrome extension. Unfortunately, Stoic isn't on Play Store yet. That's the next place I want to see Stoic wallet is on the Play Store. But Plug only works as a browser extension. But you want to come in here. If you don't hook your Plug up or your Stoic, you might not ever get an airdrop. So plus come over to Bitcoin Renegade over here on my profile, and upvote, make a comment over here on, the comments, just say something every now and again, like, hey, I love crypto. And then boom, you're active in the community. I'm not saying just write jibber jabber. Actually, you could probably have some fun over here and meet people, talk to people, learn stuff about things. You don't have to just put jibber jabber, but hey, be active over here, guys. They want people active. All right. And this is on the blockchain. So that's why you have these crazy numbers up here. This is Web3. Right on, right on, right on. Love it. No, you don't need to use Plug to enter Definity. No. Plug is just a wallet, bro. So what I'm telling you, well, Plug doesn't have a link. You'll have to get it through the Play Store. Plug. Or through your extension, I mean. Or through the Play Store? I think it's on the Play Store through your extension. I don't know. Just look it up. Plug wallet. Because it doesn't give me anything to just share, I don't think. Create a wallet, import a wallet. Yeah, it's not just going to let me. You can just look up, man. Sorry. But yeah, I'm getting ready to call it a night too. It's getting hot. Thanks for showing up. I hope you guys all got the word of the night. Please share this with some of your friends. Come on social media. And if you get 2 ice emojis, I might just give you a third one. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.